So here's an interesting little tidbit. I was doing a little bit of research on the Peaks, and the Peak family name, and where the Peaks are from. And the Peak name comes from pike, which comes from pike maker. And we're from Welsh / Scottish, Irish / something else. Maybe passed through some Dutch on the way over, I don't know. But according to that, we were pike makers, peak makers, spear makers, sword makers. I don't know about swords, but maybe implements of puncture, war implements. So here I am, carrying on the family name. Oh, the joy. My ancestors would be proud. Just saying. Alrighty then, that's basically a doors, and I wanted to put something up there. Whatever I wind up with in the end, it's going to be stronger than that, but that's stronger than a couple of screws I had it hanging on before. With it up here like this, I don't have to worry about it falling on me, and I'm going to build an entrance here so I can come in and out of my shop and do stuff. I need to brace up that board there, I'm thinking with some steel. And I need to make a door here. And with this hanging here, I'm kind of in a good spot to look at it and make my decision about how to build the little end bits, things of that nature. Kicked around the idea about having it where it could flip up, like the doors on my other shed around here do. But then I was thinking, well, I'm going to be backing a boat in there, maybe. And if it's sticking out here and there's a pole that goes down to the ground, that could very easily get in the way of me trying to get in and out of it. So I may just leave it. And the nice thing about it is, because I can always change it later if I don't like it. So there we go. Something to think about. So I'm going to just put that on the back burner and think about building it.